Welcome, today in front of me POCO X4 GT, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box, and here let's open. This is the protective silicone case. The next thing, this is the USB-C cable and the charger brick, the original Xiaomi with all of the specs here. And in this paper box we can find also the SIM eject tool and the quick start guide, warranty card and the safety guide. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.